Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I created a video on basic sample table creation and how to insert records into that table. I'm going to show you in this video like table scripts you can find online and how to just run them to make tables like readily available for practice. And this is very useful because then you can take these tables and then just practice basic queries and without having to keep creating tables and inserting records in those tables. I mean, that's good for practice, but after a certain time, it's really easy to just get, used to doing that, and it'll become second nature to you if you keep doing that. But sometimes you just want to get right into selecting data and doing complex queries and eventually doing procedures and making packages based off these tables. So I'm going to show you how you can get some easy sample tables and run those scripts. So I have two websites open and I'll put the links of both of them in the description of this video. So to get here, all I did was this guy, he made a website with sample table scripts. So I'll go to Google and type in Sam Forda teach yourself SQL, and it'll be like the third link anyway, and it'll look like this. This is his website. Go down to Oracle, since we'll be using Oracle SQL Developer for this. Go down to Oracle and click on the link, and it should install a zip file. So open that folder where that zip file is located, and then extract the contents as you would. When that's extracted, click on the folder, and as you can see, there's a populate text file. So double click on the create text file. And as you can see, here are some sample tables for customers, order items, orders, products, vendors. All of these are related to each other in some way. And you can go ahead and highlight all of these, copy, and then paste them on your worksheet. And as you can see, all the table create scripts end with a semicolon, which is really good practice. Make sure all your queries end with semicolon. So if you want to have all of these tables, you paste them on this worksheet and then you run script, which you can either do with this button here, or you can just hit F5 on your keyboard. And as you can see, table customers created, order items created, orders created, products created. So if I do select from vendors, it'll have the columns but no data in it because we haven't added any data. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to add data. Go back to that folder where you had installed those text files. And as you can see, he had another text file called populate. So double click on populate. And as you can see, this is all the data for all of those tables. So I'm just going to copy and then go back to SQL Developer and paste. And as you can see, this is what we did in the previous video. Insert into the table name, columns, values, and the values that go into each column. So I'm going to go up to the top and highlight all of it and run it, and it'll insert those records one by one. So now when I select from order items, it's filled with data, and you can now edit and query all the data you want for your own practice. And so that's a lot easier than creating tables yourself and inserting records one by one, because yeah, that can get really tedious and boring right away, and it might even turn people off from SQL. Another website that I found was Apex explained, and I'll put the description of this. As you can see, there's a script here for department table and emp table. This sometimes comes with certain SQL developers, but in mine it did not. So I'll put this link in the description, and then you can copy it as so, paste, and then highlight, and then run it, table, department, and employee created. And then down here, they have the insert scripts. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight those as well. Open SQL Developer, paste it, and then run what I just pasted. As you can see, one row inserted. So when I do select star from dep, it'll have the data. Select star from emp, it'll have those records. So now you have access to a lot of data for a lot of different tables. So if you want to take some time to do basic select queries and joins and other sort of queries, you can. I'll make another video on how to do specific queries, as well as altering, updating, copying, dropping tables, and I'll get into primary keys as well. Thank you for watching.